Guys, I want to show you how to do vehicle inspection report. Every day you have to do it. In the morning, every time when you get loaded, before that, you have to inspect your truck and trailer and you have to update the system. Vehicle inspection. So it shows my name on it. It shows the vehicle ID. I have to put the trailer number on it. M1901. I put my trailer number on it. And there you go. And there you go. You're gonna ask me any defect on it. I did an inspection, I didn't find no problems. I did no defects on the truck, and it shows me trailer and no defects on the trailer. Now you're good to go. There you go. All right, submit. It takes a few minutes to submit it and then hit OK. After you submit it, you will have to hit OK. You have to wait for this screen to go right here. We are sent today. All right, done. You're good to go.